Good girl. Defend your father.
Jessica, I am doing this for you and for everybody else that he has hurt, and to make sure that he doesn't do it to anyone else ever again in this life.
This is not the way, Charlie.
No, but Brody, this is the only way.
Think about Vicky. Think of Jared. This is not what he would want for you.
Well, Jared is not here. Jared can't tell me what he wants. Thanks to this. So now get ready to meet your maker.
Maybe too much.
What does that mean?
I lose myself in you.
Yeah.
I do.
I know that.
I lose perspective. I lose reason.
I'm not supposed to know what hit you.
Look, I need to have my wits about me, okay? I need to focus on Daniela right now. She needs to be my priority.
You don't think she's my priority?
No, I'm not saying that. I know she is your priority. I need to separate what she needs from what you and I want.
Blah, 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 blah. So you're walking out on me.
As usual, our timing's off.
Hey. If you leave right now, there are no guarantees of anything.
I know. I know I can't sit around waiting for you to see if time heals all wounds. I just hope that, someday, sometime, we'll leave.
How lucky am I to have two amazing friends in my new town?
Pretty lucky.
We're like the Three Musketeers. We'll do everything together.
Yeah, everything.
I've got to head back to the ER. It's a madhouse over there.
Okay, well, so what happens to Skylar if the board determines that he did forge this doctor's signature and got unauthorized drugs?
As far as his career goes, he's dead. I'll call you later.
Okay.
You manipulated everyone. Even my son. Shane thinks he's gonna be a big brother.
I didn't mean to manipulate.
You put Gigi through hell. You let her think that her sister was having my baby. You ripped us apart. Okay. Oh, I will kill you for what you did. You son of a bitch, okay? I will kill you.
What are you talking about?
We can't leave. The baby's coming, so guess what's gonna happen?
No, I can't do this. I'm not having my baby like this.
You don't have a choice.